Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. My name is Diasha and I make beauty and lifestyle videos. Today we are going to be doing a quick everyday glam. This is something that you can do in 15 minutes. You can do it if you're heading out to work, if you're a stay-at-home mom and you just want to put on a face, or if you just want a quick routine because you don't want to spend all your time doing your makeup. Then this is going to be the video for you. So if you like this look, then keep on watching and let's get into the video. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and moisturize my face. I'm going to be using the Vitamin Rich Face Base by Bobbi Brown. Whenever you are doing your makeup, you want to have a fresh, moisturized face. This is going to help your makeup look better and not look so patchy. My skin has been so dry this winter, so I have to keep it moisturized or it's going to look crazy. We're going to be doing like a quick 15-minute face. I'm going to go ahead and prime with my one size. I'll go ahead and prime with my normal one size oil sucker primer, my go-to. I'm an oily person, so if I want this to last, I have to use something that's going to help me with oil. Thin layer, and you're going to see it start to mattify the face. Put it on all of the areas where you're oily, so right in that nose crease, right where those pores are. So when doing a quick face, you want to have a foundation that's going to cover up everything so you don't have to go in and like color correct. So I'm going to be going in with the e.l.f. Soft Glam foundation. A little goes a long way, and I'm going to put this on. I'm going to go in with like a flat top foundation brush and put that on. I've talked about this foundation before, and this is a really good foundation. It is $8. You cannot beat that. e.l.f. makes really affordable products. Now I'm going to go ahead and do some bronzing. I'm going to take the Black Opal True Color stick. It's the shade Snatch Sepia, and we are going to put this right in our cheekbones, forehead, and I'm going to blend that out using a e.l.f. buffing foundation brush. You want to blend everything together. I'll be using an e.l.f. putty bronzer brush. So now we are going to do our liquid blush.
Uh-oh. From the spirit. The fruits from the spirit.
Yes.
Apple. Orange. Pineapple. Lemon.
So now we want to go ahead and conceal under the eyes. I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Magic Touch Concealer in the shade 14. Now you're going to go ahead and blend. Blending the blush together into the concealer. Once you have that all blended out, then you are going to go ahead and set the whole face with a powder. I like to use the Sephora Micro Smooth powder. This is a really good powder and it's pretty affordable. I think they're $20. They used to be like $10 and they raised the price, which is absolutely ridiculous. But you're gonna go in and set everything. A fluffy brush like this and set the face. And it's okay to put it over everything because we used all those cream products. You want to set them all because if not, they will start slipping and sliding. So setting the face is essential. If not, pretty much all that hard work that you did is gonna go to waste. And I recommend putting powder over your brows if you're somebody that just gets oily brows. You want to go in and set the blush and the bronzer really quick. And so I'm using my Anastasia trio that I got years ago, and I'm just lightly dusting a little bit of blush. Just mixing all three colors, nothing crazy. Doing it like that. Then I'm going in with my usual, my Fenty Mocha Mami bronzer. I'll go in and do a light dusting of that around the perimeter of the face, just to blur, just to blend everything together. Your eyes. So the key to doing a quick look is you don't want to pull out an eyeshadow palette. You want to just get you like a nice single shadow that you like. I like to go in with a ColourPop eyeshadow. They have really affordable pigmented eyeshadows, and so you would just take this and sweep this across. Oh, I've had this for so long. Metallic. Sweep it across. But you just go ahead and lay it on the eye. Another trick too, if you're wanting to be quick and you're wanting to look put together, you would just take your bronzer, whichever one that you used on your face, and you would just lightly, you would just take it and dust it on your eyes like this. You see how it made it look like I did some eyeshadow and I really didn't? I just dusted it in there. Now you want to go in and set your face. This is my Infinite Makeup Revolution spray. Really, really good. I'm trying to use it up to the last drop. As you can see, we're almost there. I always want to do setting spray before mascara because I've made the mistake of doing my mascara and then spraying my setting spray and I smudge my mascara. So setting spray first, then mascara. So I'm taking the Fenty Hella Thick mascara and giving myself some lashes at the bottom. Oop, I forgot to do one thing. I forgot to set the under eye with setting powder. This is the One Size setting powder in Sweet Honey, my go-to. You always want to set under the eyes because that's how they get creasy. We're not gonna bake, we're just going to set. So I'm literally just pressing it into my skin. So that way I don't have to waste any time going in. See how that blurred it out? So pretty. I don't have to waste any time going in, wiping or dusting it off. So take it, boom, boom, boom. Scrape, scrape, scrape. And then go in and so it's time for lips. So I'm going to go in with, this is MAC Chestnut Pencil, my go-to. Two lippies, I'm going to go in with the NYX Butter Gloss and Madeline. I'll go in with the Juvia's Place Nubian Sand lipstick. I want it to be a little bit more pink, so I'm going to go in with the Buxom Lip Plumping Gloss in the shade Dolly. We're going to make it a little bit more super pretty. Okay, so this wraps up the video. This is our final look. Again, this is something quick and easy that you can do, and you can just practice. Makeup is all about practicing and learning your face and just practicing until you get it right. If you enjoyed this video, then please give me a like or a subscribe. Leave a comment down below what you enjoyed about the video. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye.